So the program kind of, like I said, the program, instead of being a full self-driven program where you take all the steps preparing your own food, preparing your own diet, the program is a prescriptive diet. So they will send you, I think the program sent me breakfast, lunch and dinner every day of the week for 90 days, right? And I think the food, I mean the delivery and all that was quite excellent. The way it was packed, the way it was presented was actually quite excellent. The certain things it changed. I mean, what it helped me do is that it changed my perspective of food, not just for me, but for people in my family and my household as well. One, of course, that you could use non-standard ingredients to still prepare the same kind of food that you're generally used to without having too much compromise on the taste. And two, that even if you're having greens and salad, it can be prepared in a way which is not as, when somebody says, oh, you're having salad, so salad will not be as tasty, you're going to have bland food, right? It will be hospital food or it will be jail food kind of thing. So that was absolutely not the case. And especially given me being the kind of fussy eater that I am, the food was quite good, right? So food was quite good. And because it's more of a regiment, they will establish a regiment, and the people who will be, consulting with you and instructing you as to how you need to have, what are the timings that you need to have your food in. So timings for food, gap after the food, gap before you go to bed or exercise or whatever, all of that was clearly defined, right? And the food was delivered within that schedule within those parameters. I think that helped in, improving a lot of aspects with respect to health, with respect to blood, with respect to, really dropping the parameters, right? A lot of people say, okay, we'll do diet, but when we do weight loss, it is more exercise, it is more gym, it is more running, more jogging. And this is something that Naren has told me a lot of times, that when you're doing diet or weight loss or any kind of program, it is 75% is the food. 75% is your diet, and the remaining is the exercise. So if the diet is missing and you're having diet with your normal food and normal seed oils and, white rice and a lot of, heavy curries, a lot of oil and all of that, then no amount of exercise will make any difference. Ulta, the exercise will be far more detrimental, like it was in my case, where you will start feeling that, oh, I'm going to exercise, but I'm just in chronic pain all day and can't generally and normally function, right? So that was the thing that the Alt Life program and the food helped me change.